What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing Euro style taillights in a S550 Mustang. The tools you're going to need for this is a trim tool, a ratchet, T20 Torx, T40 Torx, 10mm deep socket, and a 13mm socket. These taillights are from CJ Pony Parts, and they're the Renegade series plug and plays. All right, so let's get started. All right, after opening the trunk, the first thing you'll want to do is remove the trunk floor. And after that, locate 4 cargo nuts that simply screw onto studs on this back trim panel piece. Unthread those by hand, and then remove your plastic trim in the back here. This removes by just pulling out on it. Take that out of the way. All right, your vehicle may or may not be equipped with the subwoofer in the rear here. So if it is, I'll show you how to take that out. And if not, you can skip this step. But the first thing we want to do is remove the T40 bolt up at the top here. And next we'll remove the T20 bolts down at the bottom. After we remove those screws on the bottom there's a cover that comes off, and underneath that is 2 13mm bolts that we'll take out. After those 2 13mm bolts are removed, we can remove the subwoofer and unplug it. Here's a close-up of that connector, so you can see where you need to press it to release it. The next thing we'll do is we'll remove this clip up at the top of the cargo liner on both sides. Repeat on the other side. Now looking at the inside of the trunk, you'll find the 3 studs with nuts on the backside that hold in the tail lights. What you'll want to do is pull that cargo liner out away from them to gain access to those and remove. Now unplug your wire connector back here. With the 3 nuts off and the connector disconnected, we can pull the taillight out. All right, just grab and remove the taillight now. All right, now to install the new taillight, get your wires lined up, put them through the hole there, and then make sure your seal's tight and put your nuts back on. Just like that. All right, there's a before and after shot. Installation is just the opposite of removal. Just follow the steps one by one and reassemble it and test them out, make sure they work. The driver's side is just the same as the passenger side, just without the subwoofer if you have that equipped. All right, let's see how they look now. have it, the Renegade series tail lights installed on an S550 Mustang. I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.